Hey guys, how we doing? I'm on a 3-day losing streak. I know this video comes off strong. Don't care, honestly. I'm just so done. But this doesn't even count as a losing streak, as a losing day because it was supposed to be a winning day. And if you don't know, basically, um, I had the $200 loss daily limit set in place so I don't overtrade. But basically, they lagged like. Dude, this sounds so credible right now. But yeah, I swear. Like it just lagged. It stopped me out. And yeah, it was supposed to be a winning day, but it wasn't. So yeah, that's the reason why I lost the streak. So I'm actually on a 2-day losing streak, and that does not make it any better, because this could have been easily avoided. Let me just go over my bias. By the way, I've redone this video like 4 times because there's always been something wrong. But yeah. By the way, these are all like clean clothes that I need to go put in my drawers. Okay, I just put them on my bed because I didn't want to do them right now. But yeah, so on the 4-hour, we were expecting this for value gap. I was expecting us to go lower. I'm going so fast, I'm sorry, but I just really want to get into the actually important stuff. But yeah, so I was expecting us to bounce off this fair value gap again and then go reach all of these lows. Obviously, we did not do that. Yeah. I took a lot of trades today. So yeah, I'll just go over them really quick. So first trade I took was oops, okay. Okay, around here. Because we had inversed this fair value gap. It was a 30-second fair value gap. I got stopped out, and then I accidentally bought 3 micros, so I sold them, got out with nothing. And then the final trade that I took. Wait, okay, there's more. I didn't even know I took this. This was a pure gamble, guys. Great news, I gambled again. What the hell am I doing? I didn't even know I took this. Ugh, whatever. Gambled right there. No reason to. Just so random and so annoying. Why did I take this? I have no words. I swear I have no words. Obviously, I got stopped out immediately, but it wasn't like a big loss because I'm down like $100 on the day, so I was probably like at a $200 loss right there on the day. And then I took another trade, which ended up being a winning trade, but it's still so bad. I'm pretty sure we entered off this tiny inverse fair value gap. I waited for us to go back into it. We did right there, but I was just like, okay, I'll just enter. So yeah, not a good trade once again. Even though we won, it was not a good trade. So yeah, I was expecting us to go all the way down to some other lows right there, and I could have got out with like more. Could have been up on the day actually, but I took some partials and then I got stopped out at break even. Sorry, I went super fast, but I just want to get into like how I was feeling mentally, because like these trades that I took, these mistakes, like they're so not relevant. They're so useless. basically, like, I'll tell you guys, I'm not trying to find excuses, by the way. I'll just tell you guys, like, how my day went, how my thought process was. So, today, I woke up, traded horribly, by the way. And then, I got in the car to go to my dentist appointment, which is like a 2-hour drive away, 2 hours and a half actually. So yeah, I didn't want to look at the charts because like it gets me nauseous, but I was still looking at the charts, and I was like, okay, like I'm done, because like we were going up, and I was sure that we were gonna be bearish. Like I was just forcing my bias onto the market. Like I was keeping my sweet ears shut. I didn't want to hear anything. Okay, just wanted to be bearish. I was looking, like, first of all, why did I trade this? This is obviously chop. Obviously, I should have recognized that right away, but I was just like, I don't care. Obviously, I literally gambled right there. But yeah, so then I was looking at it go up, and I was like, no, I don't want to trade it. Maybe I'll wait for FOMC. FOMC comes. Where is it? Right here. I was at the dentist, so like I was on the trader, so I didn't trade that. But even if I did, I would have probably been stopped out because I was sure that we were gonna go lower. And what do? We went so much higher. So first mistake, I was focused on one bias, and if you guys watched my videos, like at the start, I really struggled with that. Like I was always forcing just one single bias, and today I did the same thing. I did the exact same thing. Like instead of observing the market, I was trying to predict it. And as Justin says, be an observer. I was not doing any of that, obviously. Then, yeah, I got stopped out. I accepted the fact that I was gonna get out with a $90 loss on the day, so I posted it on my story on Instagram. And what did I do after that? Yes, I did not journal. I did not go over my trades. I did not do any of that. Close the charts. I took a nap in the car. And I really just hate myself for it. Like usually I try to at least go over, every single time I take a trade, I go over it right after, especially if it's a loss. I journal it right after. But today, if you look at my journal, boom, nothing. Like I didn't even journal today. Like even after all this time, it's 10 p.m. I still have to do a project for school. My Mac is on low battery for the project at school. I'm sorry to my classmates if you're watching this, which you're probably not, but I'll use ChatGPT. But yeah, Damon journal. I got home at 5, took another nap in the car. By the way, took 2 naps, and I slept for like 8 hours. So I just wanted to escape, actually, from the reality. It sounds so cringe, but that's truly it. I wanted to like not face what I just did, so I just slept. And I slept like a baby, and I dreamed. The hell are you doing? Like, why do I let myself do that? I'll show you guys my bank account, by the way, just so you guys like have an idea of like the current situation I'm in. I should not be letting myself sleep and not journal my trades and lose and overtrade. This is all I have right now. $300, and in US it's like what, $250, something like that. It's nothing. I really should not allow myself to do that. So yeah, I came back home and then I was like, oh, I'm gonna journal. gonna go over my trades. I have time to backtest also. I did backtest right before this video though. I don't want to lie. I mean, I'm not lying. I did backtest for like 30 minutes and then I recorded. But whatever. That's not the point. What did I do? I came back home at 5. I called my friends. If you know me, like, you know, I freaking hate calling. Absolutely hate it. But what did I do? I just called my friends. And we talked about nothing for no reason. Well, and the whole time I knew that I shouldn't be doing that. So then it was already 6:30. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to the gym. And I did go. So that's good. I dropped a 10-pound weight on my foot. So just have a huge bruise right now. But that's not even the point. Then I came back home. It was like, what, 8, I think. I don't know. I didn't check the time. So yeah. Showered, I ate. It was already 9. Back tested. And then, I don't know. Yeah. And then for like 30 minutes I was trying to record this video, but I didn't even journal. I just didn't want to. So I shouldn't be like taking so much time for myself, by the way. Okay, I still have time. But yeah, I shouldn't be taking so much time off. But I'm not gonna lie, like for the past few days, like I've been doing really well with like back testing and looking at the markets and all. And yesterday I missed out on shorts because I had an exam. But that's not the point. That's not my fault. I was still mad, but it's not my fault, so it's fine. But like today, bro, so bad. I didn't even do anything trading related, basically. Like I back tested for like 30 minutes, but that doesn't even count. So I'm actually gonna journal my trade right now. I'll start with this one because like this is actually the worst one. So we had swept this. Pretty sure we had an SMT right here or right there, but I think it's here. We had equal highs with ES, so I'll just mark that out. SMT, we swept. Buy side, we had a 30-second inverse for value gap. Short, 750. Boom. Stop loss is okay. It looks like it does not want me to record on camera. I swear I've tried like many times and this has happened before. Like it just won't let me record anymore. I'm gonna try to finish this quick, but yeah, I've said everything I wanted to say. Go journal my trade right now because I can't just let it not journaled, especially since it's a really bad day. But yeah, I hope you guys traded well today, even though it's high impact news. So yeah, that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you guys did. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you have any advice or whatever. It's really appreciated. And yeah, bye bye.